Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly exciting to discuss: Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You might be wondering, isn't it a bit early to talk about this? Well, not really, because rumors are already swirling. And we've got the latest scoop just for you. So let's dive in and see what Samsung might be cooking up for their next flagship. First up, let's talk release dates. Samsung has been releasing their Galaxy S series earlier and earlier each year. The Galaxy S24 dropped in January, the earliest we've seen yet. So, could the Galaxy S25 Ultra arrive even sooner? Possibly. We're eyeing mid-January 2025 as a likely launch date. And what about pricing? The S24 Ultra saw a price hike, so could we see the S25 Ultra go even higher? It's too early to say. But some analysts think it might due to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip's cost. Moving on to design and display. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might feature a slightly larger screen, possibly hitting 6.9 inches. But what's really exciting is the potential for even higher peak brightness than the S24 Ultra's impressive 2600 nits. And for those who love a sleek look, there's talk of a curved design and ultra-thin profile reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 7. Could this be the best-looking Galaxy yet? Now let's dive into the cameras, always a highlight for Samsung's Ultra models. The S25 Ultra might see a jump in the ultra-wide lens to 50 megapixel and possibly some upgrades to the main and telephoto sensors. We're also hearing whispers of variable capabilities for the telephoto lens, which could mean smoother zooms and better low-light performance. Imagine the stunning photos and videos you could capture with this setup. Under the hood, we're expecting the Galaxy S25 Ultra to pack the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, rumored to have a blazing fast 4.3 GHz prime core. This could make it one of the most powerful phones ever, potentially rivaling the upcoming iPhone 16's 818 Bionic chip. As for battery life, the S25 Ultra is likely to stick with a 5000 mAh battery, which already delivered impressive endurance in the S24 Ultra. Let's hope for even faster charging speeds this time around. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with Android 15 out of the box. And we're expecting some cool new AI features building on what Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S24 series. Imagine smarter photo editing, enhanced Bixby capabilities. And who knows what else? Samsung is definitely focusing on making their devices smarter and more intuitive. So that's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It looks like Samsung is really pushing the boundaries with this one. From stunning design and camera upgrades to powerful performance, what feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech news and rumors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.